Here's a case of 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Well, I backed up all right. I backed into my siding. But no fear, I have the zipper tool. I already started taking it out. I have plenty of extra siding, so it's not that big of a deal. But this is what happened. I was backing the tractor up as far as I could to the house, and I failed to realize that the day prior, I pulled this hefty sheet of metal out at about a 45. When I'm sitting up here and I'm looking back, I can't see it, and I forgot it was extended, which I never have that extended. I don't know why I extended it, but I did. And I backed up, trying to get close. As you can see, starting to grow grass, and came up to till this right here, and pow, I hit it once. Not only once, but I came over here and I hit it there too. I don't think I'm even gonna mess with that. I might just move my hose reel, or even mount a hose reel on the house there and just be done with it. I don't know, we'll see. It should take me about 20-30 minutes. Here we are. It's probably 20 to 30 seconds after I last recorded, and I got it off. You can see my bug screen there. Not a big deal. Something interesting. I think the nails, the galvanized roofing nails that I used to hold this siding on, suck the water out of the green wood. You can see where they're into the wood, they're actually rusting or discoloring. Like I said, I think it's because the wood was wet. And okay, let me get a new piece. It took me a couple minutes to get the new piece in. It's not nailed down yet. Heck, I should replace it all. Look how dirty it is compared to the clean piece. All I need to do now is drive a nail in to each furring strip along the way, and I'm home free. What do you guys think? Should I replace that piece? Look. It's nothing. It's nothing. Nothing. Do you even see it from here? I don't think I'm going to deal with it. Here's my grass seed. So this is what I backed up to that's new, and it's nice because I actually see it growing, which is pretty quick because I just put it in. But I put all that hay, that straw, put that in a while ago. You see, I don't know, you can see it coming in, I guess. And this is starting to come in already, so pretty happy about that. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna nail this in and get on to the next one.